You guys, I should have waited on my last video because I just received another item that I believe is for Morticia. Let's cut this open. And I thought I received this item, but I thought I received the Wednesday necklace, and I gave that to Wednesday, but it wasn't. So this should be inside here, wrapped up in tape, it looks like, or something very tightly. This should be the Morticia necklace. And yes, we're all dressing as the Addams family. I hope there's not a bag in here that I'm going to tear apart, like a cloth bag. So this is another item from Etsy. I can't get this. They're wrapped it up very tightly here. And so we're all dressing up as characters from Netflix. The Wednesday, and here we have the Morticia necklace. Now this is from the original 60s TV series, so I don't know if we'll see this or not, but yeah, I don't know if we'll use this actually. But there it is, around $8 on Etsy.com. Most of the other stuff I get from Amazon. Sometimes I'll pick up stuff in October at Walmart for Halloween because it's cheaper usually, a lot of it, than like wigs and everything and everywhere else. But there you go. This is the Morticia Addams necklace. This was just a very quick one, so it was supposed to be with the last video, but there it is. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe.